So in this video we are going to create WBS, that is work breakdown structure of the project turbine installation that we have created in our previous video. So let me give you a, a brief introduction of the work breakdown structure of the project turbine installation. So in the Primavera we are going to create the WBS structure of the project turbine installation. So in this project the WBS structure will be as follows. At first the major milestone, then after that design slash documentation, then land acquisition work, then civil work, then installation work. So this green color determines the WBS structure of the project turbine installation. So now we are going to create this WBS structure in the Primavera. So in the Primavera we are just continuing from the last part, that is we have created the project in the EPS structure, that is turbine installation project under the department application implementation project. So for creating the WBS structure, we have to go to the project, then you have to choose or you have to click on the WBS. Then after clicking on the WBS, this type of interface will appear on the screen. Then for creating the WBS element under this project, that is this WBS element, we have to simply click here and we have to click on this plus sign for adding the WBS structure under this project. So click on plus and write the name. At first we are going to create the major milestone WBS. So write the name major milestone. Let me check the name again, major milestones. So after writing the name, just you have to click anywhere here. Then again you have to click on the plus sign. Then write the name design slash documentation, design slash documentation. Then click here. Then you have to move it. Then you have to move this to the left side to be under the turbine installation. So for moving this, you have to just have to select this. Then you have to click here, move left. Then after moving left, it will be under the turbine installation. So at previous it was under the major milestone. Then after moving, it becomes under the turbine installation, that is 1.1 1.2. Then after this, then click on plus and write the next WBS element, that is land acquisition work. So double click here and write land acquisition work. Then click here, then move to the left. Then after creating this, we have to create the civil work. So for that we have just click on the plus sign and then write civil works. Let me see, civil works. Then click here, then move it to the left to come under the turbine installation. Then after this, our last WBS element will be installation work. So click on the plus sign Double click here and write the name installation works. Click anywhere, then move it to the left. Let me check the name. Yeah, installation work is the last element of WBS. So in this way we have created the WBS structure of WBS structure of major element under turbine installation project. So in this video we have learned about the creating the WBS structure, and in the next video we are going to create the activities. We are going to create the activities under this WBS structure. That is the these activities will be created in the next video. So thank you, and please subscribe our channel.